Hello there, I'm Bill Reese. Welcome to the Jam Room. Jam Room was started by 5 friends at my house. It was a little beer club that kind of grew into this. We would get together once a week and brew beer, and where the name Jam Room comes from is the room that we were using to brew beer in was a room that I used to have music rehearsals in. I was in rock bands, and it was always just kind of termed the Jam Room Brewing. Not to mention, it doesn't really tie us geographically to an area. We're not such and such mountain or such and such waterway. If you don't know what's up with that mountain or waterway, it doesn't mean a whole heck of a lot to you. Music means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. We're what you would consider a nano brew. We have 10 taps. We kind of focus on easy drinking beers. You don't want to have an explanation with the beer. You should almost be able to taste it by the name of the beer. We have our Long Play IPA. That's a West Coast style IPA. We have our Sabbath Black Stout. We kind of have a niche for our wheat beers. We have a couple wheats that we tend to always flavor. We either do an American style or Hefeweizen, but then we'll flavor them. Right now we have a cranberry wheat on. I think that Pennsylvanians like beer, whereas the West Coast has wine. They're set up for it, they have the right climate. Pennsylvanians are beer drinkers. We love beer, and I don't think it's going anywhere real fast. I think it's a good thing to have other breweries in the area. One brewery's great, but if you have 8 breweries, that's even better for somebody who's coming in as a tourist.